Man on.
I think this guy might be a bit lost. Morning. As we are off now, we've finished for Chinese New Year Spring Festival. You know, dragons and stuff. Actually, learned that that's a lion, not a dragon. So we've got some time off now, but we're not allowed to travel anywhere. It's a perfect time to go and see Guangzhou. So I'll get the metro into the city. You can get taxis, DDs, which is Uber. You can get a bus in, but I prefer getting the metro. It's definitely the most comfortable way of getting in. Today I'm just going to walk around the city, so come with. Joking, you have to come with if you're watching the video. You'll actually be there. This station's about 5 minutes from where we live. Every metro station you have to go through security. There's also plenty of ways to pay for the metro. You can do the usual thing, metro card or a ticket, but that's not how I do it. WeChat is the king of everything in China. You get a program up, it'll do this, it'll give you a QR code, and then you scan the QR code, and through you go. So there are 15 different lines. Zhejiang, so we're miles away. It takes us about 45 minutes to here, Zhejiang New Town, which is more or less the city centre. So that's where we're going today, and you'll be able to see the city in all its glory. So I just got off the metro and it cost 7 RMB, which is like 75p, maybe a bit more. 45 minutes it took. A little bit better than London prices on there. This goes really fast. So this is the Pearl River, huge river that runs through Guangzhou. Path and a park that runs alongside it. Also a running track here. But across the river over here is Pier. That's where all the partying happens. Canton Tower is about to start lighting up, where you might just be able to see it. They all basically light up now, so I'm going to head over that way. There's a man than me, propped on the other side of the railing. I've been walking in the middle lane because I don't want to walk too close to the edge. There's a little scary boy. Beautiful. Oh, you might be able to see the lift going up through the centre. The tallest tower in Guangzhou. It's over like 400 metres, but then it's got a TV antenna that makes it over 600 metres tall. And on the top, there's like a little ride that goes around the outside. London Eye type thing. It goes around the outside, not like this. There's also a revolving restaurant at the top. I did not know that you could do this up there. Oh, an obstacle course. I don't know if I'd actually prefer that than sitting on the merry-go-round thing up there. We've come to Party Pier. What comes before Part B? Not it! Club. And it's pretty loud at night, but for some reason they've decided that in all these nightclubs here, they have put
Look at the black cat
cafe
with the tiny leg.
Next week, I do need a haircut, but the last time I got my haircut, I looked like this. So, come with me, and that's going to be fun. Remember, if you want to see more, like, subscribe. Ciao, bueno.